In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post accounting entries in Odoo. We'll walk through the process of taking a draft journal entry, reviewing it carefully, and then posting it so it becomes officially recorded in your accounting. This is an important final check, because once an entry is posted, it moves from a working draft into your formal books. To begin, open the accounting app in Odoo. This is where you manage financial records, journal entries, and related accounting activities. Once you're inside the accounting app, go to Journal Entries. This will take you to the list of entries that have been created in the system. From there, find the draft journal entry you want to post, and open it. Make sure you're selecting an entry that is still in draft status, since only draft entries can be reviewed and posted in this way. Opening the entry will bring you to the detailed form view, where you can confirm everything before finalizing it. Start by reviewing the reference, the accounting date, and the journal. The reference helps identify what the entry is for. The accounting date determines when the transaction is recognized in your records, and the journal shows which accounting journal the entry belongs to. It's a good idea to check these fields carefully, because they affect how the transaction appears in reports and in your bookkeeping history. Next, review the journal items section. This is where you'll see the lines that make up the accounting entry. Pay close attention to the debit and credit amounts and make sure they are balanced. In accounting, the total debits and total credits must match before an entry can be properly posted. If they don't balance, the entry is not ready to be finalized. If you notice anything incorrect, make any necessary changes to the entry. This could include adjusting amounts, correcting an account line, or updating the date or reference if needed. Taking a moment to review now can help prevent errors in your financial records later. Once everything looks correct and the journal entry is balanced, click Post at the top left of the screen. This action confirms the entry and records it officially in Odoo. After posting, the status of the journal entry will change from draft to posted. That status change confirms that the accounting entry has been successfully posted. At that point, the entry is no longer just a draft under review, but part of your official accounting records in the system.